Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Bridge to organize brand image libraries. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Bridge to begin the process of organizing your brand image libraries. Make sure you have all your images ready in a folder on your computer. In Adobe Bridge, navigate to the folder panel on the left side of the screen. Locate the folder where your brand images are stored. Click on the folder to display all the images within it. To make organization easier, create a collection for your brand images. Right-click on Collections in the left panel and choose New Collection. Name your collection something relevant, like Brand Images. Now, this allows for a more organized and accessible gallery of your brand assets. You can also create sub-collections if you have multiple categories of brand images. For example, you might have collections for logos, products, and marketing materials. To add metadata to your images, select an image and navigate to the metadata panel. Fill in relevant information such as the image title, description, and keywords. This metadata will help you search for images easily in the future. To ensure your images are high quality, you can use the preview function. Click on any image to view it in larger detail. If you need to edit images, you can open them directly in Photoshop from Bridge. Right-click on the image and select Open With, then choose Photoshop. After editing, save your images back to the same directory. Once you've organized your images, you can share the collection with your team. Click on the Share Collection option in the Collections panel. Choose your preferred sharing method, such as a link or email. Regularly updating your collection will keep your brand image library relevant. Periodically review and organize your images to remove outdated ones. With these steps, you will have a streamlined way to connect and manage your brand image libraries in Adobe Bridge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.